శ్రీమన్ ఆల్ ఇన్ఫో మీడియా ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ స్వాగతం. In this video we have to learn third class second lesson the recipe book worksheets. Worksheet 2.1. Read the first and second paragraphs on page number 14. Identify the three-letter words and write them in the space given below. Once there lived dash for many people. From this para, man was big, his, the, who, they, but. Second Roman. Write the missing letters in the following words. Hotel, H-O-T-E-L. Food, F-O-O-D, food. Dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. Party, P-A-R-T-Y, party. People, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Third Roman. Match the following with the same word. One is done for you. Food, food. Dinner, dinner. Hotel, hotel. People, people. Cook, cook. Bed, bed. Worksheet number 2.2. Read the third to sixth paragraphs. Identify the four-letter words and write them in the space given below. Raju did not dash shed the mixture. From this para, want, cook, dear, said, able, lose, this, fell, book, food. Second Roman. Make meaningful sentences from the following table. He decided to cook. He decided to eat. He decided to go. He decided to sing. He decided to drink. He decided to help. Third Roman. Supply the missing letters to make them meaningful words. Opportunity, O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y, opportunity. Suddenly, S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. Frightened, F-A-I-N-T-E-D, frightened. Friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Worksheet 2.3. Read the 7th to 11th paragraphs on page number 15. Identify the five-letter words and write them in the space given below. A knife came and said, dash for the dinner. From this para, knife, slice, ready, stove, begin, hello. Second Roman. Match the following with the same word. One is done for you. Stove, knife, recipe book, friends, dinner, dishes. Third Roman. Write 5 meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. Let's begin cooking. Let's begin reading. Let's begin writing. Let's begin playing. Let's begin eating. Let's begin jumping. Worksheet number 2.4. Read the 12th to 14th paragraphs on page number 15. Identify the five-letter words and write them in the space given below. Raj woke up, dash delicious dinner. From this para, after, knife, hours, party, stove, mixture. Second Roman. Supply the missing letters to complete the word. Kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Third Roman. Write 5 meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. He looked at the recipe book. He looked at the board. He looked at the bus. He looked at the bicycle. He looked at the sky. Worksheet number 2.5. Reading Comprehension. Read the following passage. Once there lived a man named Raju. He owned a small hotel. The food was very tasty in his hotel. Everybody who visited his hotel liked the food. Raju used to supply food on bulk orders. One day, he got an order to cook for a big dinner party. But unfortunately, he fell ill. Raju was quite worried. He said to himself, I am not feeling well. I am not able to get out of the bed. How can I cook for many people? Roman number 2. Chose the right answer. Who was the owner of the hotel? C. Raju. Raju used to dash food on bulk orders. Supply. Third one. Raju got dash for a dinner party. B. A big order. Fourth one. What happened to Raju on the day of big party? A. He fell ill. Who liked food in Raju's hotel? B. Everybody. Worksheet 2.6. Vocabulary. Write as many words as possible using the letters of the given word. One is done for you. Unfortunately, from this word we can write words one, for, fort, fort, I, our, ten, tear, tear, ear, ear, near, tune, ant. Fill in the boxes with the names of the things we use in the kitchen. One is done for you. Stove, carriage box, bowl, cup, fork, mixer. Worksheet 2.7. Write plural forms of the words given below. One is done for you. Sweet, sweets. Vegetable, vegetables. Stove, stoves. Friend, friends. Cook, cooks. Table, tables. Pot, pots. Hotel, hotels. Board, boards. Slate, slates. School, schools. Roman 2. Identify the singular forms and circle them from the following words. One is done for you. Singulars. Book, tree, vegetable, egg, teacher, school. Third one. Write the singular form to the words given below. Book, books, book, birds, bird, colors, color, boys, boy, girls, girl, stoves, stove, rooms, room, bags, bag, slates, slate, flags, flag. Worksheet number 2.8. Grammar. Identify the personal pronouns in the given sentences and circle them. I, she, he, it, my, our are called personal pronouns. 1. I am Sweta. I am a student of class 3. In this sentence, I and I are personal pronouns. Second sentences. Praveen is my brother. He likes me very much. In this sentence, my and he are personal pronouns. Third one. Kamala is my friend. She comes to school daily. In this sentence, my, she are called personal pronouns. Roman 2. Read the following sentences, underline the personal pronouns and write them in the given space. I am Prasad. I am studying in a primary school in our village. It has a beautiful garden. My class teacher is Kamala. She teaches English well. She has a son. He also studies in our school. In these lines, Personal pronouns are I, my, our, she, it, he. Worksheet number 2.9. Writing. Read the sentences given. Keep full stops wherever necessary and rewrite them. Raju is a cook. Full stop. He has a small hotel. Full stop. Everybody liked food in his hotel. Full stop. One day he got a big order to cook dinner for a dinner party. Full stop. Roman 2. Raju got an order to cook for a big dinner party over a phone call. Develop the conversation between the customer and Raju with the help of the clues given below. Conversation by using clues: Sunday, is it, speaking, how many plates, an order, thank you. We can develop conversation between Raju and customer. Raju: hello. Customer: is it Raju's hotel? Raju: yes. Raju speaking. Customer: will you please take an order, a party? Raju: yes. For which date? Customer: for the next Sunday. Raju: yes, sure. How many plates? Customer: 500 plates. Raju: okay. Come in the evening and pay the advance. Customer: okay, thank you. Raju: you are welcome. Roman 3. Write 5 sentences by using the following table. Request: may I use your pencil? May I use your pen? May I use your eraser? May I use your slate? May I use your book? Roman 4. Your teacher will dictate some words. Write them below. Worksheet 2.10. Reading Comprehension. Read the paragraph. How to make tea. Take a bowl and pour some water in it. Add some tea powder and milk to the water. Put the bowl on the stove. Add some sugar to bring sweetness. Boil it for some time and filter it. Now the tea is ready to drink. Answer the following questions. What is the passage about? The passage is about making tea. What items do we need to prepare tea? We need water, tea powder, milk and sugar. Do you like tea? No, I don't like. Or yes, I like. What is added to make tea sweet? Sugar. Who takes tea in your home? My mother. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. Who was the owner of the small hotel? Raju was the owner of the small hotel. Second question. Why did Raju like the food in his hotel? Why did people like food in his hotel? People liked the food because it was tasty. Third one. What order did Raju get one day? One day Raju got a big order. Fourth one. Who helped Raju to cook food for the big party? Utensils helped Raju to cook food. How do you help your parents in the kitchen? I help my parents in the kitchen by cutting the vegetables and clean the utensils, etc. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.